Steve's driving is so smooth in this car, and it's so flat. He literally rocked baby John to sleep.
Uncling 101.
I'm very ready for this.
Man, I'm excited. I'm excited. This is your type of coffee.
I'm really excited for this.
Oh, fuck you. Dude. This one's for you guys. For all the Wookiees out there. What is that?
It's my koozie.
What? That's awesome. Drink it up, fuzzball.
I was at a...
I'm having problems figuring out how I'm gonna act. Oh, there we go. There's my cup. Hello and good morning from Wookies in the Woods. Cheers.
People mess up.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers, Kyle. Cheers.
Cheers.
So something happened yesterday. You know, we blew a tire, that one, right? Now we got that one. Get here. And not just one. I woke up this morning to another. Guys, I don't even know what to say with this one. Like, move on, fix it, and just keep going. Car dead, everything made it safe here. We had a dead battery. Coffee's been made. Camp stove's been ruined already by that guy over there, not that guy. Yeah, all is well so far. Still trying to get everything set up. Here's our lineup. The RwdyAudi out here. Battery dead, of course, but no harm, no foul there. And then Steve's Biscus right there. We got the bike. I forgot, what kind of bike do you have again?
It's a KTM Duke 390.
So it's like a big Grom.
Yeah. I mean, it's a... Yeah.
I have no idea. I'm being honest. That's a lie.
Pretty much in my opinion, the best of the small learner bikes.
Okay.
Unfortunately, the Panigale didn't make it this year, so.
It happens. But her car is the best one. Humbling over there. She makes us all look like peasants. Like peasants. Peasants. I'm okay with it though. She brings the average up high. High.
She's lifting the quality of the trap site by like 9 notches.
Right. She gets her own indoor parking no matter what. No matter what.
That's right. Who else brings a garage to Wookiees?
Right.
Wait, how long is this?
32 feet?
30 foot.
30 foot.
30 foot.
The regulation of the
30
roads
foot.
is 30 foot.
30 foot.
Okay. Okay. It's 30 foot. Is this my cup's 6 inches tall?
Yeah. Got a special tape measure there.
With the middle missing out of it?
This is my special Wookiees measure.
These guys are ate up. Well, I'm gonna finish my coffee here, make some breakfast, and dude, I think we're gonna do some things today. We're gonna do some things.
Things.
Yeah.
Things.
Big things.
Big things.
Big things.
All right. Welcome to Wookies in the Woods 2021, guys. Let's have some fun. You're gonna make me the perfect cup of Drive Le Mans coffee?
I guess, apparently. That's what I'm told.
You are. Dude, I want to see it. I want to see it.
We're going to do a whole pot.
A whole pot?
Yeah. A percolated coffee.
Okay, pot per. What kind of grinder is this?
I don't know, some sort of hand grinder.
Sound of our people here at Wookiees.
Missing on one.
Missing on one. It's got a random misfire.
But that's bag typical, so we're good still.
It's probably the influx of back pressure. We're fine.
We'll get there eventually. We need to clean out the percolator.
Can I get one of these on eBay?
Probably. Or Amazon.
All right. No, you can get one of these on. We'll put one in the link in the description below for you. Which will probably be an eBay affiliate link. So here's
Remember Race
the perculator
Wars
as
a couple
well.
years ago? We did like
oh, you already know.
like Race Wars cooking.
Yes, I think I still have that footage. I did make that in there.
Morgan just hacking up a melon. Like
It was great. Look.
there we go. Once again, cuisine.
Bravo.
Bravo.
Yeah. Cut to a clip. How's that bacon coming?
What's coming?
Let's turn that up. Hey, keep your tongue 6 foot away from my.
He's putting the Corona on. I don't know what just happened.
What? Don't tell me what to do.
Oh shit!
No!
Oh! Oh, it's bad.
You high side or low side that can?
It's not a total loss. We can keep going. Oh, we got plenty. It's not the end of the world. They're natural.
Yeah, just a little bit of extra flavor. It's extra toppings.
Just cover them with some chocolate, you know. You'll never know they're on the ground.
All right, boys, it's time for our first ride. We're all crewed up. Steve's got the lead. I've got the tail. Who knows where we're gonna go? But we all...
Moments later. Minutes later.
Got down to our first pit stop. We're at the bottom of the mountain, bottom of the tail. Squad up. Hold on. Nice to meet you.
What's up, man? Nice to meet you.
Oh, my bad.
Sorry.
It's all good. I did it. Ever been here before?
No, it's the first time.
All right. What do you drive? What's your name? And what do you think about the tail?
I drive a 95 WRX.
All right.
My name's Fred, and I'm pretty sure that this mountain is made of brake dust.
Right?
It smells like brakes out here.
All right. First time on the tail?
It is.
Name and car.
Heidi, 05 Elise, and
Ding, ding, ding.
the orange one.
Can't miss it. Cannot miss it. What are your thoughts?
It's super fun.
Fun.
Yeah, really, really enjoyed it.
Butt puckering?
Huh?
Butt puckering?
Couple of corners.
Couple?
Couple of corners where it's where you go over the edge of the corner and there's like a foot of where people have gone off and worn out the the shoulder.
Yeah.
Like, oh shit, don't do that.
Dip off the
Yeah.
like the tire almost wants to just naturally drive itself in. Like it's really weird.
Yep.
There's your play type.
All of a sudden you find the undercarriage of your car along the side of the road somewhere.
Yeah. Kyle.
That's that rally.
Kyle.
Right?
First time driver?
Not for me.
Yeah.
What do you drive?
Oh, a 17 Golf Sportswagon.
What did you think about the tail?
It's aggressive,
There's
but
some
it's
over there, Roddy, coming up
really
the side of
fun.
the hill.
Water?
Oh yeah, there's wet spots all over the place. It's rowdy.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Get a little slidey on the water.
Tires aren't too hot though.
Nice.
Which is nice.
Nice.
Brakes are hot, but I felt like keeping some good speed. Didn't really brake too terribly much in the beginning until we got towards the last little bit, a few miles. But I felt like I was carrying some pretty good speed through corners without having to try to use the brakes so much. Is the goal.
Yeah, I was trying to, like, I had a problem following along. I didn't want to follow your line. I was trying to make my own line because I wanted to just feel my
That's
car.
my issue, is that like I'm easily distracted. So like,
Yeah.
you know, even when I see a car coming, I'm like, my instinct wants to be like, ooh, check that badass thing out. But then
Right.
you're like, eyes on the road. Ha!
Eyes on the road.
Damn it!
Ah!
Cool cars everywhere. Stop it.
All right. First time on the tail.
Yeah, actually riding it myself.
What's your name and what do you drive?
Roderick, I brought a KTM Duke 390. It's a little orange bike because everything else I have is broken. And she's been a good little girl, lots of fun.
Yeah?
And I'm glad the first time I came here was as a passenger because this road is sobering. Like,
All right, sir. So can you please, before my battery died. Oh.
What? Huh? Huh?
Are you okay, sir? Are you okay? Scroll.
oh shit, all right.
All right, so we're here with Rod, take 2, and he's trying to explain his KTM and what he brought to Wookies.
All right, because my Panigale was broken and my B5 was broken, obviously, I brought a KTM Duke 390. It's a really nice small capacity, one lunger.
One lunger.
Yeah.
One piston.
Yeah, one cylinder.
Okay.
A lot of fun. Really lightweight, throw them around a lot, and I've just been really enjoying it.
Nice.
And,
Beautiful bike.
Thank you. Yeah, they're sweet. I like them a lot.
Sick.
And you know, as a guy who's got a 200 horsepower sport bike, that thing's just as fun.
Really?
Yeah, and I think they make like 40 horsepower maybe.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Not
okay.
much, so yeah, so it's all momentum.
Nice. All right, well, at least you know, and the partner in crime over here, this guy.
What's up, gang?
Steve, this is not your first time down the tail,
It's not.
but is this your first time in the Biscus full from start to finish?
No.
No, you've ran down this far before.
Yeah, I had the car in 2019 here, and you know, it's bone stock 100% as it came from the factory in 2000, and little
We'll get
baby
beauties.
KO3 turbos, 210 horsepower. It's not the perfect tool for the job, but it's a lot of fun.
Are you glad you brought it back?
Yeah, of course.
Are you gonna bring the laser one year, or is that too rowdy for down here?
I gotta bring it once. It's pretty saucy, but I gotta bring it one time, and that might be next year.
There's a sequential Mark IV that runs around that's blown down here, so I'm just
Yeah,
saying.
I don't have anything for those guys, man. This is B5 life. I know how they handle. I can be honest with myself.
Right. All right. Well, you guys already know what I brought, so I'm not even gonna bore you with that one. But the sounds of our peoples are out there. Do some more driving?
Hashtag drive more.
Drive more. There we go. This guy. This guy.
Ride or die, motherfucker.
You gotta interview the dog, bro?
Rave. Hey, girl. What do you think about this? Huh? What do you think? What do you think? Huh? Is that so? Yeah. Yeah. All this nature. Guys, this place is ridiculous. Like, just the friends you meet, the cars you get to hang out with, the tail, the whole package. Fucking amazing. Absolutely amazing. We're gonna bleep a lot out. But we should have definitely not brung all season tires. They're a little, how do you want to put it? Hot.
Six hours later.